Hello and welcome again to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file and how you can create a bootable USB drive using that file. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to open any browser. So I'm using Chrome in this demonstration. So then we are going to search this term Windows 11. Okay, so if you type Windows 11, it will take you the first site. This is the Microsoft official site. So we are going to click on the download Windows 11 now. So click on that. Now as you can see, it's saying download Windows 11. Okay, there are some information. So to be confirmed, we are going to download the ISO file only. We are not going to create the Microsoft installation media tool. Okay, we are not going to use that. We are just downloading the ISO file from here. If you wanted to use this to write your USB drive, then you can do this, but in our scenario we are not going to do this. So once you are in this page, so scroll down a bit and you will find this particular option. It's saying download Windows 11 disk image. Okay, this is for the 64-bit devices. So I'm going to select from here the ISO file that I'm going to download. It's Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, means you can find each and every edition, like if you're using for home, for pro, okay, or for any other use, you can get all the edition in this single file. Once you selected that, then click on the download now button. Now it's validating your request. Okay, so once it's done, it will give you this option, select the product language. So the file that we are going to download, okay, we have to select the language from this. So I'm going to select this English US one. Okay, so you can select whatever language you prefer from here and then click on the confirm. Again it will validate your request. Okay, after that, this is the download option we are going to use. But to make sure that you can see it's saying this particular link, it's valid for 24 hours only from the time of creation, means you can use this particular link for 24 hours only. So we are going to download the 64-bit. so let's download. If you click over here, you can see the file is getting downloaded, but you can also see that I just downloaded the ISO file, so I don't have to wait for that time, but this is the process you can do it. So I'm going to cancel it because I already have the file. So if I go to my download option, you can see this is the file, and the size of the file, it's about 5.4 gig. Okay, so you can see it's about 5.4 gig. So this is the file. Now we are going to download a image writer. So you can use any image writer, like you can use the Balena Etcher, or you can use the Power ISO, anything, but I am going to use the Rufus because it's the most popular and easy to use. So type Rufus, then hit enter. Now click on this site, rufus.ie. okay, this is the site and this is their official website. If you scroll down, then you will find the download option and you can download all the versions from here. So I'm going to use the 4.51, so click on it. Okay, and it will be downloaded on your computer. So as you can see, it's downloaded. So let's open this file. Okay, so this is the file. So I'm going to show you now. So make sure you have both of these things to create the bootable USB storage device. So you need Rufus, I mean any image writer, and your ISO file that you're going to use. So let's open this file. Okay, and as you can see, I already have a USB drive attached. It's a 64 GB. If I go to this PC, you can see this is the USB drive. It's showing like this because I need to format this. Okay, but you can use any USB storage device. You have to insert it and the software will automatically detect that thing. So now we are going to select the ISO file that we have just downloaded. So select on this option, then select the file, then open. Okay, so this is the ISO file. You can see it's Windows 11 image file that we just downloaded. You can select the image option if you want. Okay, like Windows installation media, where you will install it from the scratch, or you can use the Windows to go option, whichever you like. This is for the partition scheme, this is for the target system. If you want to use like UEFI, then you can use this. Okay, and you can see the advanced options from here also. Now you can put the volume level, so I'm going to rename it Windows 11. This is the level which will be like mentioning on this particular drive. I mean the drive over here, this is the level. Okay, you can see this is the new volume, this is the new volume, this is the local disk. So this is the level going to be created. So you can create you can put any level you want. This is the file system. I'm not going to make any changes now. Okay, on this option just select your pen drive, put your put your pen drive, select your ISO file, put a volume level if you wanted to, then click on the start. Okay, now this is a important page. So if you are going to use this particular USB drive that we are creating to a specific computer which doesn't support Windows 11, then you can remove that particular requirement from here. Okay, you just have to check this option. You can see it's saying that remove requirement for 4 GB RAM and secure boot and TPM2. These are the requirement which is needed to install Windows 11 in your computer. But if your computer doesn't support, you can remove the requirement and you can install Windows 11 on that particular computer. So this is for the remove the online Microsoft account. So if you don't want to use the online Microsoft account thing, then you can remove this, and this option going to create a user account for you. Like if you click on this and put a name, then this particular user is going to be created. Okay, so I'm not going to select anything from here because my computer is officially supported and it has all this requirement which is needed for the Windows 11. So I'm not going to select, but as I mentioned, you can select from here. So basically what it's going to do, it's going to use the automated XML file and it's going to change all the requirement. So hit OK. Now it's a warning from Rufus. It's saying that if you have any data on this particular USB storage, make sure you took backup, because if you press OK, it's going to be deleted. Make sure you don't have anything on that. So I'm going to select OK. Now it's started, the process is started. So you can see it's creating the system task, and if you wanted to see the logs, just click over here and then it will open the log panel and you can see all the logs over here on the real time. Okay, so as you can see, the process is now completed. So our Windows 11 USB storage device is now completed. You can use this to boot any computer. Okay, so if you find any value from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. I create this kind of videos regularly. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.